Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Happy Sunday. Oh my gosh, why my voice is cracking. Happy Sunday. Can we just say clap, 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 clap? Congrats, congrats, congrats. I've been posting 7 days, like legit every day in a row. So for 7 days straight, I've been posting. Yay! You guys know that I'm trying to get my watch hour going. I need to get to 4,000 watch hour. And so if you're new here, I've been in YouTube for already a year, but I took a 4-month break and that definitely hit very hard on my watch hour. So once you reach that 12-month time span, every day that passes after those 12 months, either your watch hour goes up or it goes down, depending on how much your views are going up. So I am so thankful and grateful for you guys watching my videos. And also, please, if you can if you can play any of my playlists, I truly appreciate it. You can play it when you go to sleep in your TV or your extra TV or on your computer, or anything like that. Just even 20-30 minutes, it's something that will help me out a lot. Okay, so today we have $172, if I'm mistaken, $172. I could be wrong. I will put it here. I forgot. I counted it and I forgot. I hope you like that cute little intro. It's early in the morning. Okay, that's it. Enough. All right, we have $500 to cash off on rent, but we're almost there, you guys. We're almost there. So on rent is actually gonna get 20, 40, and 60. So 60 and 80. So $80 on this one. So 80. So now we have, that's 100, 200, 300, 440. So we're so close. We still have 5 more work days for me to get it. If you're new here, I'm a server, so I get paid every night. So yeah, so that's why you see me cash stuffing almost every day. Besides me trying to get my hour going. But yeah, okay, my goodness. All right, there we go. Awesome. I hope you guys are doing great. I am very thankful and grateful for everybody that is new here. I do have a few new subscribers, so welcome. So excited that you're here. Yes, okay. All right, next let's do our stuff in here on my new challenges. So we're gonna do from the beginning to the back. Everyone's gonna get a little bit of love. That's our gold. So all right, so this one right here is gonna be for $15, and I'm just going to do like a little dot here so I know that I did this. Super cute. So for $15 on this one, and you can get that on my Etsy shop. So you're more than welcome to check out my Etsy shop. It is on the description box right there. All right, so $15. We will see how much we will save by the end of finishing this challenge. All right, next is the cute little Winnie the Pooh scratch off. All right, let's see how much we're gonna save. You can also find that on my Etsy shop. Let's do the little half moon. Okay, half moon. How much is this one? It is $6. Do you see that? Hopefully camera is focusing. It is $6 right there. So 5 and 6. I don't have a lot of ones, I'll be honest with you, so we will see how that goes. Oh my goodness. Okay, if not, we can just condense one of the bills. And yeah, okay, next, this one right here, we're gonna start off for what should we do? I may condense this. Let me condense this. So give me 1 second. Let's condense. Shall we? Shall we? We should. All right, let's do that. Let's see. So let's condense that 20. Let me see. I know. I don't know what I'm gonna do until I'm in here already. So there's that. All right, so 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So there's $20 right there. Okay. All right, awesome. Okay, let's get it going. All right, so we condensed that. Now let's put those ones. Now we have one, so that's awesome. Okay. All right, okay. Let's do the highest number because I want to finish. When I finish, I don't feel like, oh my gosh, I need the 15 left. So let's get the higher number out the way. So let's do the 15. Why not? So this one is from Claudia CM Budgets. You can find her on Instagram. That's her username right there. Yeah, super sweet and nice. I love her creation as well. Okay, 15. Let me know, did you guys do anything fun for this weekend? How was your Saturday? Did you go drink some margaritas for National Margarita Day? Let me know. All right, this one I'm gonna add. What should I add? So for this envelope here, guys, I need to go to the dermatologist. I think that's how you say it. There's a little like something on my shoulder, and my regular doctor that did my C-section, I showed him, he was like, just go there just to check it out, have it scanned, or get it ripped off or whatever. So actually, let me just add a 20. I don't know how much the appointment is. I have not called. I don't want to call. I'm scared, I'll be honest with you. So let me just add 20. Okay, this one right here is a cute little Happy Mail. It is $5. So I got out $92 last time because, you know, I bought something from Zap Save, and so I told myself I cannot splurge on that, so I'm gonna use this money, and I did. So let's add $5 for that one. And I don't have a lot of money on this anymore, so oopsies. It is what it is. So now I have 5, 6, 7, 8. I have $8 to spend on a small business. Can you believe that? I know it's not a lot, but it's okay. You have to limit yourself sometimes, because I love to spend. If you're new here, I love to spend. And we are on a goal to what is it called? We are in a goal to be debt free. Okay. Oh my goodness, I forgot something. I forgot to add my priority. Oh no. Well, let's do this one. It is okay. Let's see. Okay, so this one right here is gonna be $5, and this one will save us 50 bucks. Okay, so $5 on this one. Oh my goodness, the last $5. Okay, last $5. All right, let's see. Do I have enough for my Hello Kitty challenge? I don't know. I hope I do. I hope I do. Okay, I need $38. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Nope. I do not have enough, so I guess I will skip this one for this time. Again, I'm so sorry. Sorry. Okay. Now let's do this one. All right, this one right here, it's going to be, how much? $10. So $10 on this one, and it will save us $100. So yay. We're getting there. We're getting there. I feel like we just started this one, but we're getting somewhere. What do you guys think? Okay, so on this one, let me see if I can break the bill. Ooh, okay. I believe I can. No. No. This is what happened when you don't plan anything. I don't like planning, I'll be honest with you. I really don't. So I already condensed a lot of my bills here. So that's why. But hold on. Let's see. Do I have anything? Yes. Okay, great. Look. 10, 20. See? Awesome. It works out. Don't worry. It's working out. All right. So we adding a 10. There we go. There we go. All right, awesome. Awesome sauce. Let me see, is the camera good? Yes, okay. You guys, I hope this lighting is good. Let me know if you like it. Yeah, as much natural lighting I can. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. 3, 6 left. Oh my gosh, okay. All right, now to the good part. I am adding a new challenge here. So you guys, here is the one I created. Super cute, I think, in my opinion. Very adorable. Okay. So it will be on my Etsy shop, not right now, but soon, this coming week. Not the envelope. I just created the envelope just to be sweet and nice. But this little tracker will be there. It's for $2, $3, $4, $5, and $6. But the one that I'm gonna have available is gonna be a higher domination or higher icon, if that makes sense. This one right here, I believe saves me $80 if I'm not mistaken. I hope camera is doing justice, okay? But this will be coming on my Etsy shop. I will probably have both of them available. This one with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the one for higher number. But I will let you guys know. But I do want to say a little thank you. So what I'm doing is you will be receiving, well, you'll be entering into a cute little giveaway. It's just a little cute little thank you. But you're gonna get both the little saving challenge and the little envelope. So that's why I created this. So I thought it was just cute. First time really doing an envelope with the challenge, if that makes sense. So bear with me, okay? So all you have to do to enter, just on the comments, all you have to do is say I want the Sanrio, or I like the Sanrio. So if you want to enter, only say I want the Sanrio or I love the Sanrio, like Sanrio, Sanrio, I believe. Sanrio, like the character Sanrio. I hope that makes sense. If not, I'll put it in the description right there how to write Sanrio. Okay, so you get to enter on that if you guys are interested. You know, just a little thank you for sticking around with me and doing 7 days. You're not going to get this one. You're going to get a different. For sticking with me and, yeah, helping me out with those watch hours. All right, let's do the blue. Should we do the blue? No, let's do the pink. Because it's a pink. Okay, why not? All right, so we're going to do a 2. We're going to add a 2 on that. 1 and 2. I think it's so cute. I love it. I'm obsessed. You guys know I love Hello Kitty. You know that I am obsessed with Hello Kitty. And I love Sanrio characters. And I'm a girly. I just, you know, I'm very feminine. I can be very masculine too, here and there, I believe it or not. Because sometimes I don't want to dress girly. I just want to dress plain, t-shirt, Air Max, or some Dunks, some Jordans, like, yeah, legit, I'm not kidding. Okay, next, enough rambling. Let me do my birthday. Why not? I need to do my birthday because my birthday will be coming soon. It's on August, but still, let me do my birthday. My birthday is for $10. Ooh, I'm sprung, not yet. Got me doing things I never do. Ooh, ooh. Okay, all right, enough of T-Pain. Let's go. Okay, nice. And then here, Christmas. Okay, how much do we have for Christmas? Ooh, we don't have a lot. Okay, forget Christmas. We're not doing Christmas. Let's just add some to my other Christmas. Why not? So let's add another one. DJ Khaled. Okay, enough with DJ Khaled. He's probably like, who in the world is saying my name? I can't sleep. My ear is ringing. Okay, let's do this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 for that challenge. Okay, so let's add 4 to the Christmas challenge, and we are done for today, and we will be back tomorrow for Mini Mondays. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm excited to see how much I will save on this book. Yes. Okay. There you have it, girlfriends. Hope you enjoyed that video. My flowers are dying. I have to throw them away. I'm so sad. It makes me so sad that I have to throw them away. Okay. There you have it. I hope you liked that quick and fun and exciting video. Look how my flowers are dying. My roses, they're dying. But I love them. They smelled so good. Okay, guys. I see you guys tomorrow for Mini Monday. Thank you so much for watching, and bye, you guys. Have a lovely Sunday. Adios.